Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. Recently, I have created a project for our new shop. So this project is basically for product management and selling, billing the product or selling the product. So let's get started. Firstly, I am logging as a staff. You will get to see a limited access for staff because I have used role based authentication for that. When we will logged in as a admin or super admin, then you will get more over here. So let's get log out and again log in as a admin. Here you can notice we are redirecting now in home page, but if we logged in as a staff, then directly we redirected to sales panel. So that's a features. So next we can add product, view product, create barcode. Let me see how many products we have. Two product only. Let's update the quantity because we have to uh, make the order. I have updated to 6 and let me update this as well. This almari cell is for inventory management, like this menu sari one, where we can place this item in our shop. So almari 2 means uh, almari cell 2. If we go to there and we easily get the product. Let me update this. Product update successfully. Now I want to show you most difficult part for this project was barcode printing. We already have printed, but I want to show you again how we can print the barcode. Currently I only have 38 into 25 2 levels, so I am selecting this and we can print the level. You can see the level is coming in 2 so if we print the level and we select the perfect printer, then you will get to see one by one is printing. So let's cancel it and let's place a order. If we enter any number of customer, then if we tap the customer, if the customer is exist, then it will fetch the customer, otherwise it will create a new customer. For that I don't remember the product barcode, so I'll go to product section and this SKU is barcode, but we have to add some zeros after SKU because SKU is a unique field, so I used this as a barcode with adding some zeros. You can see I the price is 900, but I want to I want to update this because in a rural area customer will came and they will bargaining. So like we have only 50 rupees discount over this product, so they will bargaining to 100, maybe they want this product in 300, like that. So just for now I am updating this discount to 100 rupees and quantity to 4. Invalid discount purchase price is higher than the purchase price, but there is a point that we can't give the product in price lesser than the purchase price. So we have to limit a amount. For now, let me add 70 rupees discount for item. We got 2020 rupees total amount. Now we can add the coupon, we can apply the coupon. So I have a coupon called fast 10. This coupon is for 10% discount up to 500 rupees, but you must have to minimum order of 2000. So we have more than 2000, so we can apply this coupon. You will get 101 rupees of discount, coupon discount. So now your total price is 1919 rupees. Here we have a catch. The customer are not going to pay you 1919 rupees. Maximum they will pay you 1910 rupees. Give a round of amount for that. Like I am discounting this customer 9 rupees. So you will get to see 1910 is the final amount. Customer is paying online, so we can select the online payment. Then we can go to purchase this price. Here you will get all the details of the products and amounts, like you have applied on 101 rupees discount and you got a round of amount 9 rupees. You have to pay 1910 rupees, you paying through online. So let's print invoice. When the printing is done, you will get to see over here, notice here on SMS, on WhatsApp message is came after order placing. I use Signal for that. Here you will get on another coupon code for your next purchase. So that's all. I have to work more on this project because this is a first version of the project. Just we are launching this and we will add product and we'll print the invoice. So you will get the project in my GitHub account. Let me show you GitHub. Here is the repository. The repository name is Inner Bazaar. I will add the link in description. So how you will install this project? First you have to clone the repository, then you have to install the requirements with command pip install -r requirement.txt. Then you have to add a WhatsApp cloud access token in your .env file. So I already have a example.env. just you remove example and you will get a .env file. So there you just add this WhatsApp access token variable and add your token. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or queries, you can directly ask me on WhatsApp, or you can make a comment in YouTube comment section as well. I will reply you.